Hello guys, this is Devin from Barefoot Props. I'm just going to let you know that I'm starting a new channel. It's called Barefoot Props, and this is where I'll feature all these cool and wonderful cosplay ideas and how we build them and teach you how to build these things. So you also get to see this wonderful shop. We're just getting things started, but I hope you switch and follow me at Barefoot Props. You'll see the link below to the page, and please subscribe and like my page. If you have anything that you really want to see, please post a comment. I'd be interested in seeing what types of things people will be interested in learning, and I appreciate your time and following me already. But let's switch over to Barefoot Props. Y'all have a great day. Hey, let's try that again. And struggling this morning. Switch over and come follow me at Barefoot Props. Barefoot Props. Let's let the train go by.